Come on then, let's go. Wait. Slippery. Well, there you go, Ben. Look at that, wet within inside the first 5 minutes. Dennis doesn't like getting that wet, do you, Den? Hey, Dennis. Good boy. Chloe, you love getting wet, so you can go straight in. Frank, going for a drink, maybe a paddle, but I think it's a bit too grotty today. Wow, those roots. There you go, Ben. Oh dear, that's it. Frank, we don't need you telling him that he's having fun. He knows it. I think it might be a bit overgrown and wet down there. Should we just have a quick look? Whoa, yeah, I don't think we should go this way any further. No, definitely not. I think that's an animal track. Now, your animals, yes, you can use it, but I'll end up falling in the river. That's it, Chloe. Good girl. Go on then. Wow, it's really pink down. See the white, just the white water down there. Never been here before, so you'll have to investigate if you can. Right then, doggies, let's go. Okay, so follow the path then, I guess. See where it leads. Go on then. Ooh. 5 pupsters today. There was to be 6, but Daisy the Jack Russell took one look at the weather and did a rapid about turn. She wouldn't even let me get near her to put the lead on, so there was no way she was up for it today, which is absolutely fine, obviously. It is rather inclement. Wow, there's all sorts of things in here. Good boy, Dennis. Go on then, see what you can find, you lot. Frank's already looking. A red tree and a swampy marshy area. Good girl, Chloe. Well done for taking Ben to having a cheeky sniff. Danger, deep water ahead. Oh, goody, Ben. They're not actually encouraging us to go in the deep water, which is good. Go on then, keep going. Go on, Dennis, you can catch up. Go on, you haven't got to stay next to me the whole time. Scaredy pigeon. Go on, carry on, Ben. You're all right. Good boy. Hold it. Percy! Percy! Come on, this way. This way. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. We're going in here. Let's go and have an investigate in here. What is there worth sniffing? Most importantly, peeing on too. Oh, Ben found something. Yeah, lots and lots of litter. Obviously a favourite haunt of the local germs. Oh dear, I don't think you can get in that one. Well, you can certainly get in, I don't think you get out again though. Which is not good, is it, folks? Well done, Ben. Well done for realising that. Okay, let's revert to the path then. Good boy, Frank. Come on, well done, Dennis. Good boy. Let's go. Ooh. A lot of litter everywhere. A lot of litter, unfortunately. Come on then, folks. Let's go. Good boy, Dennis. That's it. Okay, right turn, Clive. Well done. Go, go, go. Oi. Not you.